Greetings, young men. This is Principal Kafele. I'm in Little Rock, Arkansas, and I'm literally standing at the front entrance to Little Rock Central High School here in Little Rock. This building is historic. It's an historic building in the sense that back in September 1957, 9 black students attempted to integrate this school. Here I am in the South. South was segregated at that time. The school systems were segregated at that time. You may have lived in the neighborhood of a particular school, but if that was a segregated school and it was for whites only, then you couldn't attend that school. So here, this school behind me, Little Rock Central. These 9 black students were attempting to integrate it, but right over to the side here on the front grounds, there was this huge, massive mob of white students, white residents, the white community, who were angry, who were outraged that these 9 students were attempting to integrate this school. So they expressed that anger, insults, profanity, bottles and bricks being hurled at these 9 students who wanted nothing but just to be able to go to school, go to their school that was closest to them, to desegregate the schools, as opposed to maintaining or sustaining a segregated school system. So it's a long story. Message to your son is short. I want you to do the research. I want you to do the reading so that you can understand what happened here. But in summary, because of the volatile situation that ensued here, the president had to step in. And the president had to send the U.S. Army to escort those students to this building right here, to escort those students every day, to escort them not only in the building, but to escort them throughout the hallway, to escort them to class, to keep them safe, because they were not safe, because they were not wanted here, because they were black. That was the reality of segregation back during the time, particularly of the 50s and beyond, meaning before and after, throughout the civil rights movement. So in order to change that, in order to desegregate, you had to have people who were willing to struggle, people who were willing to make sacrifices, people who were committed to seeing change. Which brings to mind these 9 students who could have just gone on to some other school and not have to endure the oppression that they had to withstand here, the insults, the bottle throwing, the brick throwing, the intimidation, the anger. They could have gone somewhere else, but they decided, no, we're going to fight this fight. And they fought this fight under the leadership of the NAACP, under the leadership of Daisy Gatson Bates, who the street outside here is named after now. So they fought this fight when they didn't have to fight it. They fought it. They came here every day. They were relentless. They didn't give up. They didn't back down because they saw the bigger picture of integration as opposed to segregation, forced separation. If one wants to be separated from someone else, let them do that because they want to do it, not because it's the law and it's forced. So here I'm at this historic site, Little Rock Central High School. What a place. What a place to be right now to record a message to your son, to you. But young man, I encourage you now. I'm giving you this little bit of history. Now you go ahead and read the rest of the story. Familiarize yourself. Know it. Internalize it. Own it. Make it a part of you. Don't just let people make sacrifices over the years and then here you are today and you don't show your appreciation by continuing the struggle. That's your role and that's your responsibility. And when I say message to your son, these messages are not necessarily for just black students or black boys, even though some of them are made in these historic black settings. Now they're for young men. So I'm saying any young man who's watching these videos, I challenge you to do more. I challenge you to effectuate change. I challenge you to be better. I challenge you to make society better. I challenge you to stand up and be a young man. I challenge you to evolve into the man that you're supposed to be. This place here, it gives me inspiration. It gives me encouragement because it demonstrates this. Just this building alone demonstrates the courage of these 9 people who changed the world, these 9 students, these 9 teenagers who played a role in changing the world. Now I encourage you to change the world. Enough said, young men. do the history, do the reading, do the research, and learn the history. Let's go. Let's get it done. Let's make it happen. Let's do it. This is Principal Kafele. Thanks for listening. Again, from Little Rock High School. I should say Little Rock Central High School here in Little Rock, Arkansas. Peace.